megalayapost.news.
We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! We want
Kisamla nagathan beper ke jela mendakasngi kilami madan hanongba Shillong ban aya ke jing kersyan kabapura ya usunam wangchuk ubalalej ban syatkan hajantar mantar badang hakasni sajan men setiap ula syara jubor na gajaka syatkan sya hospital hakibor pulit ke Delhi kabadai halor ke jing hiar ke koi ke khya jong u na kaliang kisamla pulit ke jela mendakasngi Shillong Youth Movement kilayami madan ban pelong ya ke jing yakhi Hadon Bosco Square Shillong bat kine kisamla kilara ya ke plakat rengkat ke jing tho baper kabaki a jing kersyan ya usunam cuk badawaru ya kasorkar kmi bansyam kya halor kate ke jingsha thangan hadali ka ba usona mangchuk uyang ban kersyan ya kisamla pule keri kine kisamla pule kanong ba Shillong kilamiru banyakhi na ka banta bandawa ya ka hok baru bansyam kya hardor halor ke jingsha thangan kisamla pule hajantar mantar dali rengkat usona mangchuk.
We the youth of India, we want justice for ourselves, we want justice for the students who died, and we are with Sonam Wangchuk sir, and yeah, thank you. Yes, no, I'm not a part of our medical student, but yeah, I'm an Indian student, and I want justice for for the students who have suicided, and I'm with them.
The fact is that we are below class 10 and we want other students also to indulge in this. Just don't be quiet, just speak up because it's the truth. If you won't speak now, it will be late. There won't be any other person like Sonam who will stand for us, because we have seen in this generation that no people is willing to speak, they are all quiet. But then now, in Gen Z, we are protesting against our education, so we want others also to stand up and be brave and speak.
We just want resignation of Samir Pradhan, who is not good for this position. He is not suitable for this position.
The way they took Sonam Wangchuk from the Jantar Mantar, from the way they were protesting, it was not right at all. It was without his consent that they took him to the hospital without his consent, and that was very, very wrong. And I stand with Sonam Wangchuk, and we want justice for everyone, for the students who suicided, for the students of the NEET who have suicided, who have lost their lives, and also we want the education minister to resign. And also, India is not a democracy country anymore. It's literally total dictatorship.
Students should not be quiet. They should speak. They should come in front of us. They should support us, because if we will not speak today, then our future will be spoiled from the ministers. And I really want to some more people who want to join. Please join us. We want your support. Even I want parents also to support us. If they will support us, we will be able to gain more things with what we want. And we want justice for Sonam Wangchuk. We want justice for Cockroach Janata Party. We want justice for our future.
Kane ka protes ka debitang syapang kumno bangin pan jingkit kli namata ka ikabajaya kini khna ki bayale namata kanit play hakini kisnam ba kanit paper leak kamde tang hisin kamde tang arsin kala bon sin kala ja omde tang paper leak omde tang kanit paper leak 100 ka NET ka UGC bon ke paper leak ka we ka port ka jabe kamenta me kane ka protes kini ki kwantang banwan pan resignation jo Dharmendra Pradhan who Union Education Minister uchungi but kawai kabanta ka diba kini kiya kersyan yung Sonam Wangchuk ke able ale te kata kalau ka bokongsan ba akane ka bental dasmi. Obviously I support movement that are good for the people, that is their right, that is of the freedom jongki ka to bakin le bakin protest bakin wanra ka jingba pokas nong ka tao ka di ka right ka jongki but kane ka banta ka di ban wanra kumno wala shalis ni ki lawai ki jongi ba kanu wan tuot kane ka jisni hapo kane ka jing thut jing luman hapo ka education policy amin pa yakini ki banai bro shida bro ka jing thut hapo ka new education policy ka ngat haki kena jongka 6th semester kanu ka jing kawan haki but still they follow the bala pha ko government kile la kale maki umban se tingim kwa kom kane ka jing la shasi kan wan tuot hapo ka state ko jongi kai ni kwa ba kane kan kutno ay bakane kanyaj bait narang neshakmat kane galong ka start jongi khna bakin one lap protest denam dai betara ki lada ki one lap protest maki ki we ki di bandan kaman se manong inya kersyan lam ala pimla ban kersyan pin poishnya ga jimun kam ko jompi umlei tamba ki ki videos share na kawai ka jaka pani ba ka state ko jungir ka kersyan ya kane ka jingle namar kane ka di ka jing bha jong kalawai joki khon ki kti gi jompi namda ki para ki himman gi jompi bar ko umdei tang namta we bri umdei namta tang namta kini ki khna bayang hune namta barok khoi kalawai jong kari India barok awai naya pait ka state ne naya pait kamde ka banta ka chungi henry pait bakane kari India barok awai ka dei ka chungi.
So this protest is basically we all of us we are gathered here to stand in solidarity with everyone who's at Jantar Mantar, including not Mr. Sonam Wangchuk now because he's in the hospital, but everyone who have been in hunger strike for more than 3+ days. We are here to support them. We are a lot of people we can't go to Delhi, but we are here to basically show our support that how we also have the same demands that the Education Minister, Mr. Lakshmi Pradhan, should resign, and at the same time there should be a dialogue between the government as well and Mr. Sonam Wangchuk so that this can be brought down to social. That's all we are here for.
Meghalaya Post.news.